Thank you very much, my Lord Bishop, and indeed the entire House of Clergy. Let me adopt the protocols so far established. The family of the late Liz, I'm also here to pass my deepest condolences to you. We know that you have lost a gem. Liz was born in Gadukeine, which is in Kiharu constituency, and that is in Murang'a County. She got married here in Gatanga, which is also in Murang'a County. As the people of Murang'a, we have lost a great daughter of this county. I had not met Liz in person because I may not want to lie, but of course everybody knew Liz in one way or the other. The legacy that she has left is unspeakable. Those that she has touched through her deeds, through her actions, mentorship, and everything are things that we will never forget as Murang'a County. And so we do not want to say much, but I may want to ask the children that the vision that your mom had, please, please, please see to it that it continues prospering. Do that which she would have wanted you to do in her absence, because you are there. And my Lord Bishops, that's why I always tell people, please get children. Those who can get babies, because we know that Liz's dreams will live and continue through the babies that she brought to this world when she was young and energetic. And Karungo Wadangwa, you are still young, get a few more babies. Thank you very much. I think I want to stop there. Bishop, sorry, only one thing, if you allow me, that let leaders not muzzle one another. If anybody has an idea, it is an idea. If somebody has a suggestion, they should not be muzzled by anybody. Let people express themselves, and that is democracy. Pokeeni salamu za kijana wetu mzuri mkakamavu mfanyakazi Dende Nyoro, aliniambia niwasalimie. Asanteni sana.